Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420i M Sport Gran Coupe, presented in mineral grey. Alongside being presented in the mineral grey, we've also added the full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit, alongside upgrading the car even further with the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, and we've had those fully refurbished in the bi-colour jet black, as you can see there. You'll also see, sitting behind the wheels, the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this car being equipped with BMW's full M Sport Plus pack. It's a 2019 plate, so we do of course also get the full facelift. Down the side of the car, you'll not only see just how nicely presented this 4 Series is, alongside the BMW gloss black air breathers, those freshly refurbished alloys, our satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and of course the sun protection glazing. We've got premium mixed run flat tyres all the way around, and as you can see, it's an exquisitely presented car alongside all of the additions we've made here, and that really works very nicely alongside the black Dakota leather it comes with on the interior. We've got heated and electric lumbar options for both passengers and drivers, 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, that superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, which really does change up the whole of the ambience and the interior experience. In terms of the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, again all exceptionally clean and tidy. You also get a centre folding armrest, and that looks like it's not even ever been sat in, all exquisitely presented there. Dark and M Sport headlining once again. And again, just really show these alloys off to yourselves. Very, very nice, and they really do suit the 4 Series very nicely. At the back, of course, as part of the facelift, once again, these sharpened LED rear lights. We've added a satin rear boot spoiler and a more OEM ferric grey rear diffuser. As you can see there, you do once again, of course, get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals the very large boot space. You can make this larger by removing both top and bottom partial shelves, and of course you still maintain split folding seats. Round at the other side, you'll see just how well the mineral grey works with the additions we've made here, alongside being a very, very clean and tidy. The car's just coming up for its first service, and of course we will be carrying that out. And as you can see there, again, very, very clean and tidy. It really is a very lovely colour, is the mineral grey, and I'm going to move on inside the car to just run yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Being a 2019 plate, we've got the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. However, it's also equipped with the Connected Drive Plus, also featuring the Amazon Alexa function. So I'm sure a lot of you out there will already be familiar with what the Alexa function can do. You may have it at home, however, this is exactly the same. However, it's just in your car, already installed. Just needs a mobile device to be paired to it, and you can simply activate it by using the speech control button here, and then ask it exactly the same convenient questions you would do your normal Alexa, or even if you want to add something to your shopping list like you would normally. And of course, we've still got the lovely satellite navigation with real-time traffic updates. We've got Bluetooth audio and telephone, and we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including DAB, music collection, and of course AUX and USB inputs. Heading back to the main menu, you can again see, thanks to this 2019 plate, we've also got the touchscreen, so you can swipe effortlessly. And again, should you prefer to not use touchscreen, you're still provided with the iDrive scroll wheel. I did of course say that it's covered just over 20,000 miles, well there is that now on screen. We've got that lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So there is a quick look around at the 420i M Sport Gran Coupe, with of course that lovely M Sport Plus package, which is a rare thing to find on a 420i Gran Coupe. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to drop them down below, and I'll happily answer anything I can. Alongside, you'll find the relevant information in a link that you'll find in the description. Thank you very much. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.